Hey, this is our holiday gift guide, $50 and under. Let's see what's on the list. Stick around and find out. Hi, this is David, Tech Experts. We help entrepreneurs to close the gaps that exist across the tools needed for your online business. And today we're doing a special gift guide. We're doing our holiday gift guide for $50 and under. So this is all the ideas we have for stocking stuffers, friends and family, the office, the white elephant party you may be going to, or whatever other event where you just need to get something cool for someone you love. Let's see what's on our list this year. All right, number one on my list here in my kit, I also have it up in a kit here, is my Logitech Razor. Number one on my list is the Logitech G502 Hero wired gaming mouse. I love this mouse. This is my favorite mouse I've had in a long time. It's super comfortable, tracks amazingly, lights up without being obnoxious, just great in the hand, and the fact that you can weight it means you can adjust how smooth, quickly, or slowly it slides across the desk. I think that's awesome. Now, if you got someone in your office or your family or the tech nerd who wants to start tinkering and working on fixing stuff, the iFixit kits are awesome. I think the iFixit Essential one is a great place to start. This is the basic starter kit that everyone should have in their arsenal if you're a tech geek that fixes everything. It lets you fix your phone, your glass, or whatever you want, and gives you access to most of the things with all the basic starter tips. Now, when you get into it a little deeper, you might want to jump up to the iFixit Mako driver kit. This is 64 bits, so that means there'll be a style of bits to match all the new drivers, basically the different styles of screws in your devices, and it has one that'll cover for all the things you need to fix. Now we're up to the cool home stuff and office stuff. So we have a Star Wars lightsaber light up mug. So when you pour your hot beverage in there of choice, the lightsabers light up. This is perfect for when you're not sure what to give them. Everybody can use a great coffee mug. This is fun. If you've got any sort of geeky techno person in your life, I'm sure they will love it. It's great and perfect for the office party too, or the white elephant party where you're just not really sure what to give. This is an ideal gift. And to go right along with that, I think this works just the same way. Great for the gift for the family, the friends, or the office party, and definitely the white elephant party. We love these in our house. It's awesome. They're the Neo Pro decorative cup warmer, and this keeps your mug nice and warm all day long. It's got an easy on-off switch, so it's perfect for taking to the office or just sitting on your desk next to you, and you can flip it on when you need to keep that coffee warm on those long days and long nights. Now the next one is more of the home Amazon family fun type thing. This is the Echo Dot 4th generation speaker with the clock built in it. I think it's super cool because it's perfect for like the nightstand. It'll light up that little bit. It's got the nice little clock in it. You can speak to it. You can get your wake up music. You can get your chill music, and you can use all the Amazon Word features where you can speak to it and say the name and it will respond. So if you're in the Amazon ecosystem realm, this is a great item for any place in the house you might want to be able to have that little extra functionality of a clock. And clocks are really nice to have in more places than you'd expect initially. Next up on my list is the Philips Hue single premium smart bulb with 16 million colors. That sounds like an odd item, but this is super fun. For anyone that has that geekiness, is streaming, gaming, or wants to just set a cool mood in your house, this is cool in the fact that you can put one of these bulbs in a regular outlet, use your Wi-Fi, connect to it with the app, and dial in cool colors to set your environment however you want. And if you don't like any of the colors, you can always run it as straight white or off-white or warm white, whatever version you want. It's got all the color choices available to you, and that just makes it fun. Now, for anyone that wants to start getting back in shape after the holidays, this is perfect. I know it's a hard thing to say, but we all need to move a little bit more, especially as we've been locked down for a long time, and these are perfect for letting you get out in the yard, to the gym, or wherever you want to go and still get your sound on. They're the One More Piston Fit wireless Bluetooth headsets, or headphones I should say. And they're awesome, the fact that you can call on them and listen to your music and jam out and do the stuff all day long. and not have to worry about sweating in them or getting them wet because they're sweat and water resistant and waterproof. So that is good to go in that front. You don't have to worry if you're working out and getting your headphones all nasty. They'll still sound great, and they're quick to be able to jam up and shove in a pocket and keep right on rolling. Now, things for when you're on your roll and go out outside the house, whenever you get out and do stuff with your friends and family again. The Anker USB-C portable charger 18-watt version power core is my first pick of the ones to go with. It comes in 3 different color shades. I love that about it. It's small and portable and enough power to charge up even some of the tablet choices out there now with the 18 watts. And that means it'll fast charge most all phones you have currently available. Like I said, it's slim and sleek, perfectly designed for being jammed in a pocket, tossed in a purse, a bag, a backpack, or a tote. And whatever you need, your man bag, whatever you're wearing, you can slide it on in there and keep your phone going all day and all night off of this, and be happy that you don't have to worry you're going to run out while you're out having fun with the friends and family, or just cutting it up and having a good time. All right, we're up to the gamer section. These are all going to be gamer-related items now that we have for the rest of the family and friends and coworkers, loved ones, and people you just know that love games you're not sure what to give them. If they're a Nintendo fan, I would go with this cool new SanDisk 128-disc micro SD card that's licensed from Nintendo. I love this because it's plenty of room over the normal system to be able to download all your games, your add-ons, your saves, all the stuff you're doing, and be able to pop it out and take it from one switch to the next switch and not have to worry as you go gaming on along. It's compatible right out of the box with all the Nintendo Switches. It's licensed by them, so we just know it's going to be work and there's no complications. That makes it really cool and great. Now for the Xbox side, I have 2 different choices. One is a $50 gift card for the Xbox store, basically, where you can get your games, your accessories, whatever you want, your add-ons to play with, whatever you want, movies, whatever you want to get from your Xbox game store. You got $50 to do that. On the other side, we have got the Xbox Game Pass Ultimate Edition with 3 months. And the reason I love this one is it gives you all the coolness of the Xbox Game Pass, which means you get all those new games every month. Huge library of games to be able to play through for free and try out and see what you love and what you might want to buy or hold on to permanently. Plus, you get the Xbox Live features built in for the first 3 months as well. So that means you can play with your friends and your family, share your environment, and share what you're playing, and get all the cool live features as well as having the pass to play the games with. So that, I think, rocks if you're on the Xbox side. Now let's take a look at the PlayStation side. Those are up next. So the first one is the $50 PlayStation Store gift card, and that one, just like the Xbox one, lets you get whatever you want. Games, add-ons, subscriptions, movies, all their cool stuff. You got $50 to go shopping and just have a good old time, and PlayStation Store on that rocks. Now, if you want to do their membership plan, this is the sweet spot, but please note it does bend my $50 rule by $10 and it's $60. But please just listen while I go through this. So the $60 PlayStation Plus is 12 months for this game card. It lets you play all those games and all the coolness you get in your PlayStation Plus for a full year. Now, please note that the normal cost for 3 months is $25. So that means 6 months is $50. And at $50, you're only getting 6 months. So for $10 extra, splurge, go a little bit over, and get them the full year. They'll be super happy and excited that they have a year instead of just a half a year of gaming time. That is well worth the extra $10 in bending my little rule on $50 or under. It is a rule bend, but I think it's worth it for a full year. Now the last one we have here is the Valve Steam gift card for $50. If you don't know who Valve is, they are the PC side of gaming solutions. They're like the Xbox or the PlayStation, but they're for PCs. They have all the games you could ever want to play in there. There's tons and tons of games to pick from. You can add in any games you already own. You can buy and download new games. You can have avatars. You can have a whole community where you can share with your friends and family, talk some smack, keep track on the boards of where you're stacking up, what you've accomplished, and what you need to work on, and get recommendations from your buddies and see what they're playing to and play with them that way. Now this is cool because the 50 bucks lets you buy into any of their games, and they're all the major mainstream games they have in here. And they have a ton of games, and they have a ton of bundles and specials, especially throughout the holiday season. The specials are amazing, and you can get stuff at like 85% off at times, or crazy good deals for all the games. They have old games, new games, everything, and it'll run on any PC, Mac, Steam OS, or even a Linux box. So there's anything that has a computer, it will basically run on there and give you access no matter where you are to all the things you have in your Steam library. So that wraps up my $50 and under gift card ideas for the techno nerd in your life. Now, if you have a geeky friend or a nerd or a techno geek, I am excited to share this list with you. Like I said, it's perfect for the friends, family, office, the white elephant party that we all get to go to at times and share some of that fun with. So hopefully you found this list helpful. If so, please give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for me so you can be in the know about all the new cool stuff we have coming out. We have more how-to guides, more tech tips, more reviews, and more in the need to be in the know like this, or this holiday guide, I should say. If you haven't want to, we also have a guide for $50 and over, which is more of our big ticket items. We have that one as well. We'll make sure there's a link to that in the show's description. Now, if you haven't checked out the show's description, please do that, because we will have a link to the other one, as well as links to both of these kits where all the stuff is available to click through and get. Whenever you click through and buy any of them, please know that they're just affiliate links, and we do make a small commission from that. That commission continues to help us make amazing and create videos like this. We'll also have links to other videos in our series, including the other video for the other holiday list. Now, the other thing you'll see right at the top always of our show's description is our tech assessment link. And that is when you're struggling or having time issues getting your tech needs done. If you're running out of time and aren't able to complete all of your stuff, or you're stuck and having challenges getting something done, you're having challenges getting your 5 foundational pieces set up, or maybe you're having challenges getting that new email marketing list all up, configured, and running the way you want to, please click the tech assessment link to get us some help. We will fill out the tech assessment, complete the tech assessment, so we can determine where you're at for a good fit for your needs and how we can help you find the right solution for all your tech challenges and all your tech needs. Now, if you have any comments, feedbacks, or suggestions, I would love to hear what you think should be on my list, what was a mistake, or what is the best $50 under gift holiday guide item you've gotten, or tech gift you've gotten under 50 bucks. Please leave it in the comment section down below. You can always email me or DM me. I'd be happy to chat with you about it. Again, I am Dave of Tech Experts, and I look forward to working with you.